Hey guys, welcome to my channel Study with Draqsa. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss about the writing section of OET. At the end of this video, I'm confident you guys become master in writing the letter template. I will give you the practice test at the end of this video. I will check your template free and give you the grades on it. I will guide you further. Without any further ado, let's start the video. So they may ask about three types of letter. Number one is the referral letter. It is further divided into two categories. They may ask about the emergency referral letter, where the scenario will be related to the emergency case. They will hint you with the phrase urgent referral to X department. And second category is the non-emergency letter. Number second is discharge letter, and number three is the transfer letter. In 80% cases of the OET, referral letter is usually asked, and 15% cases discharge letter is asked. In remaining 5% cases, the transfer letter could come into your exam. So this is how your writing case may look like. First of all, as you will receive your case notes, go do it the writing task and question yourself which type of letter it is. It could be a referral letter, a discharge letter, or a transfer letter. Who you are writing to, it could be a physiotherapist, surgeon, occupational therapist, dermatologist, or a cardiologist. Question yourself why you are writing to. The reason could be screening purpose or maybe for diagnosis establishment. Now I'm going to discuss about the templates which remain static in all letters. Only body of the letters will be flexible. For instance, keeping that writing task in my mind which I showed you before, I will mention the date at the right corner. After the test date, write down the doctor's name, his designation and address. Make sure to not use any comma between them. After this, leave space, write down dear doctor, then leave space and write down RE : patient name, comma and his age. Date could be right after the address, and I will suggest you to put at the start of the letter. In both cases, it will be correct. Mentioning date at the start will be more easier for you. If your given patient is male, then address him Mr. X. In case of female, use Mrs. Y, and for a child, directly use his name. The next thing which will remain static is the sign-off process. Write at the right corner, yours sincerely, or you can write yours faithfully, and below that, write the name of the writer. You may write you may faithfully instead of that. This template will remain same for all letters. So now it is the time for practice. Here I am giving you one writing task. Here it is. Use this information and write down in the comment section how you will use this information in a template, or you can email me. This is my Gmail account. In my next video, I'm going to help you with OET writing referral letter. If you guys found my video useful, then like it, share it and subscribe.